Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afifah binti Azizan from EMD4 M6B1. Our project is based on an existing table fan. We are required to do a few improvements on this fan. A fan is a mechanical device that uses a rotating arrangement of vanes to create a flow of fresh air. Fans are commonly used to cool people, but they cannot cool the air since it does not work like air conditioner. Fan works by transferring heat to the surrounding air through the use of their blades. In the industry, fans are used in a variety of ways. Some fans are used to cool the machine and process directly, while others are used to cool the industrial heat exchangers indirectly. For our project, we are focused on standing fan or table fan that usually used at home. Our aim is to provide a better usage of fan so that people can use it freely and at ease.
Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. Saya Nurul binti Azman, exit number 2019295424. I will explain the project on justification on product children. We choose table fan because of a few reasons. Firstly, is to solve the problem that faced by most of the users, which related to wires. Wire management on the fan by the users need to improvise. Since the user may use the product with other electrical appliances which also use wires. So here we can reduce the wire issues faced by the users by adding a spot to hang the wires. Next, the user may need a continuous fresh air or even a fresh smell product when using the product in a room or other small places. So we have add a spot to hang a fragrance. By adding these features, the user can live in the fresh air for a long time whenever they use the product. Lastly, the user may need to use a lamp at night and they need to focus the light at one spot at a time. Other than that, the user may need to use the lamp without disturbing their roommate by turn on the main lamp. So we have improvised the table fan by add a small lamp at the base.
From the slide, we can see a few options for table fans component. For base, we chose the option 3 because it is an improvised version of base where we put small sunset lamp to give a better vision at night and also to minimize the electricity. For front guard, we chose option 2 since it's also an improvised design where we put a hanging spot in front of the front guard where we can add any fragrance we want to avoid unnecessary smell and make sure the air will smell good so that it can give a good impression on people. For motor, we chose option 3 where you can see in the slide there is a hanging spot where you can hang the wires or the plugs there. So when you carry the fan, it will be much easier and you won't have to hold with your both hands. So it is much convenient when you live alone. For stand pole, we chose option 1 because the design fits on the base perfectly. So that's why we chose option 1.
Modification on the product needed to make the product more useful in the future. Therefore, few modifications on our product, which is table table fan we have made. Firstly, as in the picture, we have made a modification on the front deck cover. We have added a spot to hang a fragrance. Secondly, we have made a modification on the motor. We have added a spot to hang the wires. We believe by doing this modification, it may reduce the problem faced by most of the users related to the wires. Lastly, we have made a modification on the base of the fan. We have added a small lamp on it as in the picture.
Okay, next I'm going to explain about the product's ethical principle or the product contribution to the society. From this mini project, we had created a user-friendly table fan. Our product is very useful to the society as it can give an easy access to the table fan users. From our product, users can easily hang their fence wires and they can avoid the wires from being twisted or strangled. Other than that, our product also can give the users a more breathable air as they can hang their favorite fragrance at the front guard of the fan. Lastly, our product also can provide a better vision for the users as we will install or add a lamp at the stand base of the fan. This will be helpful for night reading.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Ahmad Ridwan and my student ID is 2019481868. Okay, for this presentation, I will present about the FEA, which is the Finite Element Analysis. For this analysis, our group have choose two parts from our mini project to be analyzed. The first part that we choose is the part 9 from our mini project. It is the base of the fan. The load applied to this part is 39.42 Newton. It is the weight of the top of the body of the fan. We use Katia to do this analysis. The material that used in this part is the plastic, which is the polypropylene, and the yield strength of this material is 12 until 14 megapascal. Okay, this is the result for deformation. Okay, and this is the result for von Mises stress. And the highest value that we get at this part is 6.29 exponent 4 Newton meter square or 0.0629 megapascal. Okay, next, this is the second part that we choose to do this analysis. Okay, it is a stand pole AC. The load applied to this part is 24.525 Newton, which is the weight of the upper part from this part that we choose. Same like before, we use Katia to do this analysis. The material also same, which is the plastic, the polypropylene, and the yield strength also same, which is 12 until 14 megapascal. Okay, this is the result for deformation. And this is the result for von Mises stress after we apply the FEA. Okay, the highest value that we get from this part is 7.14 exponent 4 Newton meter square or 0.0714 megapascal. Okay, like what we can see, when we compare the highest nodal value for both parts with the yield strength, it still have a huge difference between it. So these two parts can accept some extra force when we apply to it.
The objective of this mini project is to draw the part design of any home appliance based on real dimension using Katia software. We had choose table fan as our product and made some improvement to it. The improvement that we had made had bring so much contribution to the society as it was a safe, functional and a user-friendly product. As for the conclusion, throughout this mini project, we obtained many new learnings while working as a team. Other than that, this mini project also helped us explore and strengthen our understanding of fundamentals in engineering design. Lastly, This mini project also helped us improvise our skills and widen our way of thinking in engineering design. That's all from us. Thank you.